Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. If you are new here, welcome. And today's video, I'm going to be doing this kind of like a modern day 60s look, just using a couple of eyeshadows and a little bit of gloss. So it's quick and easy. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, continue to watch, like and subscribe, and let's get started. So I'm using this palette by Prados Beauty, and I'm going into this color right here. This is really amazing, like matte aqua color. I'm loading it up on my fingertip because I want to apply a lot of product all at once. So if you're using a brush, it'll tend to take a little bit longer because it'll give more of like an airbrushed effect, but since I want to really pack the color onto the lid, just by using your fingertip, you get it on really fast. So you build up to get to the opacity that you want on the lid. And these colors are super pigmented too, so it goes on really easily. So with what's left on my fingertip, I'm just going into the crease and gently going back and forth and pulling out, because I want that to be a little less pigmented in the crease. So then once you get that blended to where you want it, I'm going to take a small angle brush, dipping into this like chocolatey brown color. So I love that it has so much red in it because I feel like it really plays off of the aqua. And I'm just taking that right along the lash line, keeping it nice and tight, just building up the color because I want that to be pretty opaque as well. So little dashes right across. In the outer corner, I'm just gonna pull that out, tilting it up slightly towards the end of my brow. And then just create that wing. Get it as close as you can. And that's it for the eyeshadows. So now I'm going in with Lash Princess from Essence Cosmetics. I already have some on, but just load up the top and the bottom. I think this is such a nice like modern day 60s look. For the lips, I'm going in with Davis from Woma Beauty. I just add a little bit, on the top and the bottom, and smudge it out with my finger because I don't want a really tight line. I just want to add a little bit of color, a little bit of contour, and to emphasize and make my lips look a little bit larger. This color is Madeline from NYX Cosmetics. Since I have so much color going on the eyes, I really want to neutralize the lip to really just bring that focus here. And this is such a great nude. It's not too pink, it's not too gray, it's just perfect. So there you go, just a couple of shadows, a little bit of gloss, some mascara, and you're good to go. I list all of the products that I use in the description box below. If you like this look, please leave me a comment. Tell me if you've tried this and how it worked out for you. Also, if you'd like to see any other tutorials from me, please let me know as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.